Follow-up discussion on statistic quiz. Previous video, we talked about business statistic. Now we are talking about specifically in the business statistic, we're talking about sampling distribution, assessment test. Let's get started. I'll keep this link in the description so that you can follow. The very first question is that the actual or estimated standard deviation of the error in the process by which it was generated is called standard error. Standard error is an interesting one. So standard error of mean, if you take it, okay, so it has a formula called standard deviation divided by square root of n. So this is going in line with the n. If the number of sample, if you increase, the standard error will decrease, right? And it has a direct effect on, directly proportional on standard deviation as such. So let's go to the next question. And it has given the little bit of definitions and explanation and so on. And let me give the name so that we can get the certificate also as well. I'll keep my channel name. Okay. The probability distribution of a statistic obtained through a large number of samples drawn from a specific population is called sampling distribution. You have a big portions. Let's say this is your population, and then you're taking this small portion to estimate the population is called sampling distribution. We got 2 out of 2, and it has a little bit of definitions there. The statistical information from sample, which will vary as a random sampling is repeated, is referred to as sampling variability. You always change the samples in order to get the right answer. So this is the one. Let's go to the next question. A listing or function showing all the possible values of data and how often they occur is not a table, and it's a distribution. So if you take any distribution, for example, if you take normal distributions, so it will give that whether the distribution is symmetrical or not symmetric, whether it's skewed or not skewed, or if you take box plot, again, it gives the information how the data has been distributed and all, right? So this is an example of distribution.